Yeah, you'll be going over 2 bridges.
Yeah.
On the way to Sonoma.
What sounds good on the train?
Sounds good?
Yeah, where does it sound good? The clickety-clack or?
Yeah, you get clickety-clack because of the, this is what we call the old-fashioned rail. Every 30 feet there's a joint bar.
Yeah.
That's what makes the clickety-clack, whereas the UP track on the other side, that's all welded rail.
Okay.
So that's the smooth.
Smooth.
You don't get that clickety-clack sound over there.
I was permitted to record the diesel engine on condition that I stayed next to the safety rail at all times. I searched for the best diesel sound I could find, and here it was. I had to improvise and hold the microphone in place with my foot. I have recorded the slow rail clacks, patiently waiting for the coupler's impact.